Hi friends, it's time to unpack your take-home kit. Let's take a look at the supplies that are provided in your bag. You have colored paper with triangles on them, rolled up black construction paper, and folded in half is your cheat sheet. The other things that you'll be using are scissors to cut out your triangles, and you can use some glue or glue stick if you wish to glue your heart down after you have completed it. So you're gonna cut out 20 triangles and they're gonna come out like this. They're all the same size. And you can unroll your black construction paper. That's going to be your canvas where you can build your math heart. It's a math heart because you need to use the triangles and the angles to create shapes. So it's geometric. So let's look at the paper and put on our triangles and see if we can make a heart out of it. All right, so I have my paper set up. I have all my triangles cut out, and I'm gonna start trying to build a heart out of these triangles. So I'm going to take any two colors you like and start, because I know hearts have a point at the top. So I'm gonna put it together and make a point. Then, let's see, what can we do? Can we, if I put it this way, All right, you can try and make your heart however you want. You don't have to do things the same way I am, because clearly I'm not really sure how it goes either. We just do our best and try different things and see if we can get them to work. So this is what I've got so far, but I don't think that's going to work. So I'm going to try something different. All right. All right, so I've got the start of the points of a heart going, but I want to see what you can do. Take your time. It's a puzzle. And here's the secret. That folded in half piece of paper here, that's your cheat sheet. If you can't figure out how to make the heart, that's okay. This will help you, but I'm only going to show it for a second. This will help you get that heart. You could also cut the heart on the cheat sheet out and glue that down and then build your colored heart on top of it if you like. Have fun. Good luck. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.